how to turn on or turn off new post notifications in Gallery Share Album on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen or in the apps screen, open up the Gallery app. Next, we go back to the Gallery homepage. Then tap on the menu button. From the pop-up menu, tap on Settings. Now in your Gallery settings, we scroll down to the Albums section and then tap on Share Album Notifications. Tap on the left-hand side panel. Then we go down and tap on New Post. Tap on the toggle button to switch off or turn on notifications for new posts for Share Album in Gallery. Here you will get notified when people add images and videos to Share Albums. And that's it. After, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.